What is referred pain? If a person feels pain in the part of the body that is remote from the tissue causing the pain, then this is called referred pain. Like pain in the one of the visceral organ, often referred to an area of the body surface. Now, this knowledge of different types of referred pain is important in clinical diagnosis because in many visceral diseases, the only clinical sign may be the referred pain. For example, in the picture, you can see that the cardiac pain is referred to the inner aspect of the left arm. That is, the cardiac pain is felt on the medial aspect of the left arm. And in this picture, you can see the red shaded area, the pain is felt on the left arm. Another example is pain of the diaphragm is referred to the neck region. Referred pain follows the dermatome rule. That is, pain is referred to those areas which develops from the same embryonic segments. It is the heart and the inner aspect of the left arm both developed from the same embryonic segments. So, the pain of the heart is referred to the inner aspect of the left arm. And similarly, the diaphragm during embryonic development migrates from the neck region to its adult location between chest and abdomen, and it takes its nerve supply like phrenic nerve with it. So, it explains the referred pain of the diaphragm to the neck region. And like that, the pain of ureter is referred to the testes because they both develop from the same primitive urogenital ridge. Now, another thing is role of experience also plays an important role in referred pain. Like the pain due to appendicitis is usually referred around the umbilicus, you all know, but it may be referred to the site of previously experienced pain or scar site of the past performed operations. The probable mechanism by which most of the pain is referred can be explained by the following theory, that are convergence theory and facilitation theory. Convergence theory states that afferent nerve fibers that carry the pain sensation from the affected viscera and the nerve that coming from the referred site, that is in this picture skin, converge on a common second order neuron. As the second order neuron, the number of second order neuron is less than the first order neuron, it is evident that the first order neuron will converge on single second order neuron. Now, when there is stimulation of the pain in the visceral receptors, then that is transmitted through the afferent fibers to the cerebral cortex, and the interpretation of the brain is from the referred site, that is the skin, which is commonly involved in different types of pain stimuli. Now, the site of convergence may be in the lamina 1 to lamina 6 of rexed lamina. However, the afferent nerve fibers of both sides converge at lamina 7. That explains that how the pain of one side may be referred to the opposite side of the body. To understand facilitation theory, you need to learn about subliminal fringe effect. Suppose this is a picture of hypothetical nerve network, A, B, C nerve and X, Y, Z nerve. Now, neuron A and B converge on X and neuron B diverge on X and Y. Stimulus applied to A or B will set up excitatory postsynaptic potential or EPSP in X. If A and B are stimulated at the same time and action potentials are produced, then two area of depolarization will be produced in X and their action will sum. So, resultant EPSP in X will be twice as large as that produced by A or B alone, and membrane potential will reach the firing level of X. Now, effect of depolarization in X caused by the impulse in A is facilitated due to activity in B. Here, Y has not fired, but excitability is increased. Now, it's easier for activity in the neuron C to fire the Y in EPSP. So, Y is therefore said to be in subliminal fringe of X. Now we see what happens in referred pain. The afferent neuron carrying pain sensation from the viscera has a subliminal fringe effect on the dorsal horn synapses of somatic afferent neuron carrying pain sensation from the referred site. So, pain sensation of low intensity in somatic afferent will be potentiated by the visceral pain and transmitted to brain to produce pain sensation due to this subliminal fringe effect.